Makino has been at the forefront of innovation, evolving our controllers to meet your needs. Now, we've unified our expertise into one powerful solution. Professional U. Experience the future of control. With modern design and intuitive layout, redefine usability, providing operators with the tools they need at their fingertips. The U stands for user-friendly. Designed with the operator in mind, its intuitive interface makes machine setup and operation seamless. Stay ahead with ease with Professional U's periodic maintenance screen. Ensures your machine stays in top condition with timely reminders and step-by-step guidance. Achieve new levels of precision. With enhanced processing time and advanced look-ahead functions, Professional U enables finer machining programs for better surface finishes and accuracy. Professional U is automation-ready, with advanced interfaces for robots and fixtures. Simplify your integration and boost your productivity. Step into the digital age. With data readiness via OPC UA and MT Connect and Makino Digital Solutions, Professional U keeps you informed and in control of your machine's performance. Save energy, save costs. Professional U's Eco Mode optimizes power usage across critical components, making every operation more sustainable. Discover the power of Professional U, where innovation meets simplicity, making your journey seamless and efficient. Experience the Makino difference today.